Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to ChemSoc channel. So, as we know, in organic reactions, the reactions are driven by the movement of electron from the area of high electron density to the area of low electron density. Depending on these, we have some categories: electrophile, nucleophile, leaving group, and bases. Most of the students get confused with these terms. So, starting with the first term, electrophile. The role of electrophile is to accept an electron pair from a nucleophile. Characteristics: these are electron deficient, possessing a partial or full positive charge. Now, coming to examples, we have categorized electrophile basically in two ways. So, examples of electrophiles: one that is having positive charge, and the other which are neutral. For positive charge, we have carbocations, Br plus, O plus, Hg2 plus, etc. In neutral category, we have BH3, AlCl3, Rx. Here the compound is neutral, but due to the presence of more electronegative group, it will carry a partial positive charge. Next, we are moving for the next definition, that is nucleophile. So, role of nucleophile is donates an electron pair to form a new covalent bond. Characteristics: the characteristics are these are electron rich, contains lone pair, pi bonds, or a formal negative charge. Now, coming to examples, we have divided these as the donation of electron pair by bonds and second by lone pair. In bond pair, we have two type of bonding: first sigma and pi. For sigma donor like LiAlH4, NaBH4, R2Cu Li. For pi bond, we have C double bond C, C triple bond C, benzene, pyridine ring. For lone pair, we have two categories, one with negative charge and one with neutral. For negative charge, we have OH minus, OR minus, RS minus, SH minus, NH2 minus, F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, etc. For neutral species, we have H2O, NH3, ROH, H2S, PPH3, etc. So these are the example of nucleophile. You have to learn them for substitution reactions. Now coming to the next topic, that is base. So the role of base is donate an electron pair specially to abstract the hydrogen. Hydrogen ion, that is a proton. So as we know that base just attack on the acidic hydrogen to abstract that hydrogen from the organic compound. So there is a slight difference between our nucleophile and a base. That is, nucleophilicity is about attacking the carbon, whereas basicity is about attacking the hydrogen. So if we say that difference between nucleophile and base, we can see that base attacks hydrogen. So here are some examples of base. So from first period, that is hydrogen, helium is a noble gas. If hydrogen is with group 1 like LiH, NaH, KH, RBH, then it will act like base. But if it is with second group or a combination of first and second group like LiAlH4, NaBH4, now LiBH4, then it will act as nucleophile. Now coming to second group, second period. In second period we have majorly two type of elements that for which we have to study these. First is nitrogen, second is oxygen. For nitrogen, if there is a compound in which nitrogen is carrying a negative charge, for example like NH2 negative, NRH negative, where R is the alkyl group, NR2 negative, then it will act as a base. If these are neutral like NH3, NRH2, NR2H, NR3, then it will act as a nucleophile. Same with oxygen. If negative oxygen like OH minus, OR minus, then base. If oxygen is neutral, then like H2O, ROH, H2O, ROH, then it will act as a nucleophile. Then some cases we have to learn. For example, if ROH, that is a alcoholic group, if the size of R is small, then it will act as a nucleophile. If the size of R is big, then it will act as a base. Second is KOH. In aqueous, it will act as a nucleophile, while in alcoholic, it will act as a base. Means abstract hydrogen ion. And lastly, we will move to leaving group. So leaving group is an atom or a molecular fragment that departs with electron pair from the broken covalent bond during a reaction. During a reaction. So the characteristic is the best leaving group are weak bases because they can stably accommodate the negative charge once detached, as they can accommodate the negative charge once detached. Examples: there are three type of classification: first with negative, then positive, and the last is neutral. For negative, we know highly electronegative elements like fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Sulfonic groups like this, which is known as OMe. Positive, we have only one, that is SiMe3 plus. And last, neutral like SO2, CO2, NO2, H2O, NH3, N2. So this is all about the concept of electrophile, nucleophile bases and leaving group.